It's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm off to Anglia car auctions at King's Lynn, where Charlie and I can have a look at some of the Triumphs that are up for sale and some of the other cars as well.
Left.
Apparently I have to turn left. There's a couple of interesting cars going through. There's a 1971 late Vitesse, which is
200 yards, turn left.
a bit of a restoration project. There's also a very, very clean looking 1360 Herald, one family owner, which looks really tidy and original, and there's a couple of other projects as well. So we'll go and have a look, see what's there and possibly bid on something. Second stop, McDonald's, and we've been going for an hour and 50 minutes. Done 76.2 miles and 47.5 miles to the gallon. Not too bad for a big Jag. This is the first of the Triumphs for sale today. It's a 1971 Mark II Vitesse convertible. It's a very late model with the steering column lock. Now, although it initially looks very clean, it is more of a project than it actually looks. The panel fit isn't particularly good. The woodwork, as you can see, is all faded and cracked. The carpets are tatty. The doors don't fit particularly well. The hood is in very good condition. The bumpers aren't in bad condition. The paint looks quite shiny, but it has got marks and bits missing everywhere, so it will need a full repaint. It's a wet day and the floor is quite wet, so I'm not crawling underneath it to have a look. I had a feel around underneath the side sills and the outriggers appear to be fairly good. The engine bay is just used. It's a little bit on the tatty side. This is a Triumph 2000. This is a really nice car. Very, very clean, nice paintwork. It's just had a full set of carpets, quality carpets in it. The old ones are in the boot. It appears to be in good condition underneath, and it is really quite a nice car. I'd give it an 8, 8.5, maybe even a 9 out of 10. Very, very nice car. Got the correct hubcaps and wheel trims. It is an auto. Very nice looking inside. I'd say this is a perfectly usable car. The woodwork, once again, does need relacquering. I'd say this would make quite a nice buy for someone if you just want a car to take to shows and whatever. Very, very usable car. Very clean engine bay. No sign of any of major oil leaks or anything like that. That's the old carpet set in the boot. And as you can see, it's quite clean on the floor in the boot as well. It does have a tow bar fitted, so it has obviously done some towing in the past. Panel fit is very good on this one. Right, this Stag. Now, I'm not a big fan of Stags. I've owned a couple. They just don't really float my boat, but I know a lot of people like them. This one looks very, very tidy. It's not immaculate, but it is very, very nice. I'd score it as probably an 8.5, 9 out of 10. It has the most unusual interior I've ever seen. It's like a turquoise blue colour. I've never seen a Stag with that colour interior before. It has got knock-on wire wheels on it with spinners, which I'm not sure are actually legal because they stick quite a way out of the bodywork. You could take somebody's legs off with them. Very, very nice interior, and I say very, very unusual colour. Once again, it's an auto. The hood's not in bad condition, and it doesn't look in bad condition under the boot floor. And the boot lid's completely non-rusty, which makes a change. The rear lip normally rots out on them. Once again, it's got a tow bar. Overall, not a bad car for somebody. Needs a little bit of tidying up, but I'd say it's a good usable classic. Little bit of wear on the seat edge there. Next one is the other Vitesse. It's a 6768 Vitesse 2 litre. It's a non-overdrive car, and once again, it's had a tow bar on it at some time. Been removed on this one. Panel fit, okay, not great. I'd say generally it's a used, slightly tired car. Could do with a little bit of refurbishment. I don't think it's in any better or any worse condition than the white one, to be honest, but that's just my opinion. Engine bay's fairly good, could do with a tidy up, bit of paint under there. No signs of any major oil leaks. Probably again a usable classic, could use it as a rolling restoration, just tidy it up as you go along. Being a 2 litre, it's got the Mark 1 engine, not the Mark 2, so a little bit down on power. Has got a very nice set of hubcaps on it though. This 1360, wow, you'd have to be brave. It's rusty everywhere, and 1360 convertibles really don't have a massive value. There'd be a lot more money going into restoring this than you'd ever get back on it. It does need some major bodywork, especially on the back wings. Bumpers are all missing. You can see the rot in that rear wheel arch. There's rot in the boot floor. Uh, yeah, you'd have to be quite brave. It needs carpets. It hasn't got any. Needs a lot of work, this one. Now, this little 1360 saloon, it's a one family, two owner from new car. It's very unmessed with. It's a proper, genuine little car. It could do with a really good clean, especially inside, but most of it is in very good condition. There's no noticeable rot. The panel fit is very good. A scrubbing brush and a bit of cleaner would make a massive difference to it. The only trouble is it's boring, brown with a beige interior. Not strictly a Triumph, but this standard is the beginning of the Triumph line. Really nice, clean standard 10. I'm actually half interested in this car. I might bid on it tomorrow. I used to have one and I fancy another one. It really is a nice little car. It's got pretty good paint. The panel fit's really good. The inside is as it should be. Could do with a little scrub up, but it's good. It's really nice condition. Unfortunately, as I'm about to find out when I go to open the door, the rear door handle's broken. But that's about all I could really find wrong with it. Really nice little car, probably an 8 out of 10. Very usable little classic for somebody.
Sounds right.
Right now, the Triumph Vitesse we have, the Bishop Building on place.
I'll be looking as well for you.
1971, that straight 16, race out of Gumbo. 1971, the Lawrence Polo Cafe had 3 British notes with a large history bar in the office, 4 new tires on there, 4 new tires on there, which was spared at the back, where I was there. That was running on the commission behind it, 36, at 3600 pounds, 310, 3738, 3839, 4 down, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4 in front of 44, 45 on the middle, 45. That 45 on the middle, 4 on the middle. That 4 5, that 4 5 on the middle, 4 5. The middle, 4 7. My man. That 46, 50 in front down. That 4600 pounds, 46 on the middle, 4600 pounds, I say. That 4600, that's not you at the back, I'm in the front. That 4600 bits here, you're around over the back. That 46, 47. That 47, right over the back. There. 1, 2, 48. Show your head down, right there. That 49 on the back. That 49, that 49 on the middle, not near the big head. 5 down. 5 down, and show your head again. 5 down, and we're back in front. 5 down, and we're back up the river. 1 on the middle. 5 1 the middle is back through there. 5 1 was going to be test over away. 51 then push the training front. 51 to the pin. 51